The smartphone battleground has never been more competitive. Four giants face off, each claiming superiority in their own right. Honor's Magic 8 Pro boasts AI sorcery. Apple's iPhone 17 promises seamless perfection. Samsung's Galaxy S26 demonstrates technological muscle. And Xiaomi's 17 Ultra pushes photographic frontiers. But which one truly deserves your hard-earned money? We spent 6 weeks testing all four flagship devices in real-world settings ranging from coffee shops to mountain treks, low-light concerts, to blazing desert sun. The results startled us. Forget about marketing bluster and spec sheet warfare. This is the unedited truth about which phone delivers when it counts the most. Design and build quality. First impressions matter. Honor Magic 8 Pro, the elegant disruptor. Honor has completely nailed the design language this year. The Magic 8 Pro feels like liquid metal in your hands, with curving edges that appear to defy physics. It weighs 199 grams, which is quite light for a 6.8-inch device. The titanium frame isn't just for show. During our testing, this phone survived numerous drops onto concrete with no scratches to its metal chassis. The Aurora glass back panel changes from deep purple to electric blue depending on the light, providing a captivating look that draws attention. The IP69 rating signifies that this phone is resistant to water and dust. We immersed it in a swimming pool for 30 minutes and it resurfaced perfectly intact, continuing to play music underwater. The in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor unlocks in 0.3 seconds, which is faster than any competition. iPhone 17, classic refinement. Apple has adopted the if it ain't broke philosophy, tweaking rather than reinventing. The iPhone 17's aerospace-grade aluminum frame feels luxurious, but at 206 grams, it is substantially heavier than the Magic 8 Pro. The new titanium blue and desert titanium color options are amazing, particularly the latter, which reflects light magnificently. Apple outperforms everyone else when it comes to button feel. The new pressure-sensitive Action Button 2.0 offers tactile feedback that is actually pleasant. The ceramic shield front proved incredibly robust in our drop tests. This phone bounced down a flight of stairs without cracking. However, the stainless steel frame showed scuffing, whereas Honor's titanium stayed flawless. Samsung Galaxy S26, the powerhouse. Samsung's Galaxy S26 exudes luxury from all angles. The Armor Aluminum 2.0 frame is reinforced at stress spots, resulting in the most robust phone we tested. It's the heaviest at 213 grams, but that weight translates to a sense of solidity. The matte glass back is more resistant to fingerprints than any rival, which makes daily use more enjoyable. The IP68 grade is usually for flagships. It is significantly lower than Honor's IP69 classification. We praise Samsung's decision to remove the dedicated Bixby button. They finally listened to user feedback. The Honor's ultrasonic fingerprint sensor matches its speed, and facial recognition works flawlessly even in low-light conditions. Xiaomi 17 Ultra, the camera-first design. Xiaomi designed the 17 Ultra around photography, and it shows. The huge round camera module dominates the back, containing Xiaomi's Lisa Quad Lens professional system. At 225 grams, this is the heaviest phone here by a long shot, and you feel it. The vegan leather back option provides superb grip and feels sumptuous, but we are concerned about long-term durability. The IP68 designation is adequate, and the phone passed our water testing without difficulty. However, the sheer size, 6.9 inches, makes single-handed operation difficult. In comparison to other phones' in-display fingerprint sensors, the side-mounted one feels like a step backward. Winner, Honor Magic 8 Pro, the best balance of luxury feel, durability, and weight. Where visuals truly come alive, display deep dive. A phone screen is your window to the digital world, where you'll spend hours each day consuming material, making memories, and connecting with people. These four competitors don't just offer screens, they also provide visual experiences that challenge expectations. Honor Magic 8 Pro, AI-powered brilliance that adjusts to you. Honor understands that amazing screens are more than simply specs, they are also about context. Yes, the 5000 nits peak brightness and the 1 to 120 Hz variable refresh rate are impressive on paper, but the true magic occurs when you take this phone outside. We tested it during a grueling midday beach session, and while companions squinted at their darkened competition, the Magic 8 Pro remained completely legible, with every pixel sharp and brilliant against the blazing glare. The AI Eye Comfort 2.0 technology sounds like marketing hype until you use it during during a late-night Reddit binge. The display automatically adjusts blue light based on ambient conditions and time of day, effectively eliminating the gritty eye experience that comes with nocturnal browsing. The 2K Plus resolution 3168 by 1440 displays text with razor-sharp clarity, and HDR10 Plus material looks fantastic, though Dolby Vision's lack is a little letdown for streaming fans. iPhone 17, smaller canvas and perfect colors. Apple adopted a different approach with a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR display, demonstrating that size is not everything. The ProMotion technology now matches Android's 1 to 120 Hz range, erasing the remaining competitive advantage. What distinguishes this screen is not brightness. Its max output of 2800 nits trails both Honor and Samsung, but rather Apple's obsession with color calibration. For photographers and videographers, this precision is vital. Every color looks exactly as the designer intended, making mobile photo editing truly reliable. True Tone is the industry's greatest automatic color temperature solution, adapting to your surroundings without the jarring alterations that other implementations cause. However, the ceramic shield's reflectivity became bothersome under bright light. We found ourselves continually tilting the phone to minimize glare, a minor but persistent issue that other displays handled better. Samsung Galaxy S26, the technical marvel that blinds competitors. If displays were only measured by specifications, Samsung would win hands down. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 3X is not just brilliant, it is devastating, overwhelming, and almost absurdly bright. At 6500 nits peak brightness, this screen makes every other phone appear dim in comparison. During our desert testing session, where 110° Fahrenheit heat and harsh sunlight tested every gadget, only the S26 remained comfortably readable, while competitors became glorified mirrors. What about the secret weapon? In our tests, Samsung's anti-reflective coating reduced glare by about 40%, a seemingly small amount, but it translates into much improved outdoor visibility. The 1 to 144 Hz adaptive refresh rate ensures buttery smooth browsing, making even the smallest swipe feel sumptuous, while the 2K resolution 3200 by 1440 and the Gorilla Glass Victus 3 guarantee visual clarity and confidence-inspiring durability. With Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus support, the display can handle any content type, making it the ideal media consumption device. Movie nights on the S26 are more than just enjoyable, they're transformative. Xiaomi 17 Ultra, the photographer's window. Xiaomi designed its 6.9-inch LTPO AMOLED display with one goal in mind: photographers who seek precision. The unique photographer's mode provides 100% DCI-P3 and Adobe RGB coverage, allowing you to edit photographs on device with assurance that the colors are correct. This feature is quite essential for professionals who need to deliver modified photographs right away. The 5500 nit peak brightness competes brilliantly with Samsung, but the overall calibration in standard mode feels somewhat oversaturated. Nice for casual watching, less so for color-critical work. The 1 to 144 Hz refresh rate rivals Samsung's smoothness, but the too aggressive auto brightness algorithm regularly misjudges lighting conditions, forcing you to adjust manually more often than necessary. Winner: Samsung Galaxy S26. The combination of unrivaled brightness, improved anti-reflective technology, and full HDR compatibility results in a display that performs in any situation, from dark movie theaters to blistering desert sun. Raw power unleashed, performance that matters. Benchmarks tell only part of the tale. Real-world performance shows the whole reality. We tested these phones to their capabilities, including marathon gaming sessions, rigorous multitasking, and demanding photo processing, to distinguish between marketing bluster and true capability. Honor Magic8 Pro, smart power for learning your habits. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 processor that powers the Magic8 Pro produces amazing raw numbers: 2,890 single-core and 9,340 multi-core on Geekbench 6. However, figures cannot fully represent the intelligence built into this phone's performance. The AI Turbo engine monitors your usage patterns, identifying which apps you use frequently and preloading them into memory. What was the result? App launches that feel instantaneous, as if the phone predicted your requirements before you ever said them. The gaming performance truly astonished us. We averaged 117 frames per second when running Genshin Impact at maximum settings, thanks to the vapor chamber cooling technology that kept temperatures under control. After 90 minutes of intense gaming, the Magic8 Pro felt warm but not unpleasant. The 12GB RAM-based configuration handles multitasking well, allowing you to run 20-plus apps without stuttering. Most users will be satisfied with the unusual 512GB of storage, but power users may be disappointed by the absence of expandable storage and intentional exclusion in the premium flagship space. iPhone 17, when optimization meets overwhelming power. Apple's A19 Bionic chip doesn't just win benchmarks, it destroys them. Geekbench scores of 3,450 single-core and 10,890 multi-core indicate a huge advantage over Android competitors in sheer computational capability. The 8-core neural engine does 42 trillion operations per second, making AI-powered tasks like photo enhancement and voice transcription seem almost miraculous in their speed. But this is where Apple's philosophy shines. This enormous capacity is not squandered. iOS 19 optimization ensures that every bit of processing power translates into measurable real-world benefits. Apps launch so fast that you'll miss the transition animation. Face ID unlocks your phone before your conscious mind registers that you are staring at it. Video rendering processes that might take minutes on other devices are completed in seconds here. Most users will be satisfied with the default 256GB storage capacity, but professional photographers should upgrade to the 512GB. Apple's reticence to release RAM details first troubled us, but careful testing found no performance compromises. The hardware-software combination is simply that good. The flagship competition features 4 distinct mindsets, and each phone shines in its own way. The Samsung Galaxy S26 is a full Exynos comeback, with enormous speed advancements, great thermal control, and smooth multitasking driven by 12GB of RAM. It can now compete at the highest level. The AMD-powered GPU produces excellent gaming results, and Samsung's uncommon microSD compatibility ensures storage flexibility. Its quad-camera system prioritizes versatility, providing everything from expansive landscapes to strong 10x zoom. It has a good battery life, charges quickly, and comes with 7 years of upgrades, making it a worthwhile investment. With extensive customization and DX desktop mode, it becomes a power user's dream. Xiaomi 17 Ultra is designed for makers. With Snapdragon speed, 16GB of RAM, and 1TB storage, it easily handles demanding workflows. Its Lisa-powered camera system, which includes a 1-inch sensor and a variable aperture, provides DSLR-quality photographs with excellent detail. While video and stabilization aren't world-class, still photography is unparalleled. The large battery and ultra-fast 120-watt charging make it ideal for creative marathons. The Honor Magic8 Pro emphasizes balance and value. It has superb performance, exceptional AI-powered photography, and the longest overall battery life in testing. Charging speeds are really rapid, and the software is sleek and useful. At a lesser price than competitors, it provides serious flagship power without overcharging your pocketbook. The iPhone 17 values consistency, while battery capacity and charging speeds fall behind competitors. iOS optimization ensures smooth and consistent performance. Its camera technology excels at video, delivering the most balanced and professional results. Long-term software support and seamless ecosystem integration are unparalleled. So what's the real truth? There is no clear winner here, and that is the finest part. Whether you choose Samsung for absolute versatility, Xiaomi for next-level photography, Honor for unrivaled value and battery life, or Apple for faultless video and a seamless ecosystem, you'll receive a powerhouse. It is no longer about settling. It all comes down to deciding what works best for your lifestyle. Now I want to hear from you. Which one would you choose and why? Please leave your option in the comments. And if you enjoy honest tech critiques like these, subscribe to Legit Pick to remain ahead of the curve.